If God loves me, why do I feel so far from Him? Let's be real this morning. Have you ever felt that? Yeah, me too. But here's what most people miss. Feeling from God doesn't mean He left. You may have just stopped looking. James 4:8 says, draw near to God, and He will draw near to you. It's a promise, not a maybe. But here's the thing. God's not into fake relationship. He's not going to compete with our distractions. He's not into just being our 911 call. He wants to walk with you daily. So if you feel far, ask, when's the last time I prayed and listened, not just talked? When's the last time I opened the Word and let it read me? God didn't move. You just got busy. But the beautiful part is this. The moment you turn back, He's already there. Arms wide, no shame, just love. Stop letting your feelings define your faith. God is closer than your next breath. Comment loved if you're choosing to draw near again, and follow for more truth that will stir your spirit. You're not alone. Let's go.